Have you ever seen the Northern Lights? Also known as the Aurora Borealis, these lights paint the sky with an ethereal glow, a spectacle that leaves onlookers in awe. Recently, these celestial marvels graced the skies of 17 U.S. states, including Michigan, casting their spectral glow over vast expanses not usually privy to their magic. This rare event was brought about by a severe solar storm, a tempest of cosmic proportions. Yet the Northern Lights are not just a beautiful light show. They are the result of fascinating scientific processes that occur millions of miles away from Earth. These processes begin in the Sun, where storms of charged particles are unleashed into space, a phenomenon known as a solar wind. When this wind reaches Earth, it collides with our planet's magnetic field, igniting the sky with a breathtaking display of colors. But what causes these breathtaking lights to dance across the sky? The answer lies millions of miles away, in the heart of our solar system. The Northern Lights are a result of collisions between gaseous particles in the Earth's atmosphere and charged particles released from the Sun's atmosphere. This spectacle begins with solar storms, dramatic eruptions of billions of tons of hot, ionized gas from the Sun's atmosphere. These storms give rise to solar winds, streams of charged particles that flow out from the Sun, and coronal mass ejections, which are massive bursts of solar wind and magnetic fields. As these charged particles hurtle towards Earth, they are drawn by our planet's magnetic field towards the poles. Here they encounter atoms and molecules in the Earth's atmosphere, like oxygen and nitrogen. This meeting of particles causes the atoms to get excited and light up, radiating energy in the form of colorful lights. The specific colors we see in the Northern Lights are determined by the type of gas particles that are colliding. The most common auroral color, a pale yellowish green, is produced by oxygen molecules located about 60 miles above Earth. Rare, all-red auroras are produced by high-altitude oxygen at heights of up to 200 miles. Nitrogen produces blue or purplish-red aurora. The beauty of the Northern Lights is a visible testament to the interactions between the solar wind and Earth's atmosphere. But remember, these stunning displays are not just pretty lights. They are also a reminder of the powerful forces at work in our solar system. So the next time you watch the Northern Lights, remember, you're witnessing a cosmic dance between the Sun and the Earth. Now that you know the science behind this dazzling display, you might be wondering, how can you see the Northern Lights? Well, it's all about timing and location. Ideally, you'll want to find a clear, dark sky away from the glare of city lights. The best viewing times generally fall between 10 in the evening and 2 in the morning local time. Now you might be thinking, that's all well and good, but when can I see the lights? You're in luck. The current solar cycle is expected to peak in 2024, which means we're anticipating increased auroral activity. In fact, even states that usually miss out on this natural light show, like California and Arizona, might get a chance to see the Northern Lights. But remember, although these lights are a sight to behold, they're also a reminder of the immense power of our Sun. Solar storms, which give rise to these lights, can disrupt power grids and communications, so it's important to stay informed. And one last thing, the Northern Lights are a bit like a cosmic lottery. Sometimes you win, sometimes you don't. But when you do, it's a sight you'll never forget. So keep an eye on the sky, for you never know when you might get a chance to witness this breathtaking cosmic ballet.